received a call a few minutes ago from someone. He said that he stays in Lagos. He intends to buy a Peugeot 406 with a diesel engine. He wants to use it for commercial purposes, so he was calling to know if it's a good choice. Well, like I tried to explain to him, of course, economically and in terms of profit, you make more using a Peugeot 406 diesel than the petrol one. Diesel engine don't consume as high as petrol engines. So economically, yeah, it makes sense. But the only thing I'm not sure of is accessibility of parts and technical know-how. I'm referring to the technicians that can handle that, because it's not because it's a Peugeot 406. It means any Peugeot mechanic that can fix petrol engines or Peugeot 406 petrol engines can fix diesel ones. No. The ones in Peugeot 406, diesel ones in Peugeot 406, they are HDI, are completely different. The systems are different from that of petrol. I'm talking of the engine now, the system that controls the engine. Every other part of the body, they are all the same. The mechanical, the suspension, they are the same. But when it comes to the engine, they are not the same. So a part or a sensor, could fail. Eventually, they will fail. They will be failing one after the other. As they are failing, can you assess the parts? Can you easily get them? Because the demand, you have to consider supply and demand. Demand and supply. Dealers buy more of petrol engines or petrol parts than the diesel parts, because the demand for the petrol ones are higher. So it's difficult to find like a Tokumbo diesel engine for Peugeot cars in Nigeria. It's very difficult because, who buys it? What I mean is, most people, even when they bring in diesel Peugeot cars, they end up converting them to petrol engines. So that's the point. And you need, again, even if maybe you can buy the parts online, which has to be outside Nigeria, you still have to find somebody who understands diesel Peugeot engines and do the diagnosis. It will make more sense if it's private. If you want to use it for private, yes. But commercial, I don't know. Unless, you stay in Lagos, unless you have somebody, I don't know, is it Ladipo? Whatever, maybe big place where they repair cars, or you have somebody in Lagos that truly can repair diesel Peugeot cars. See, they are different from the one in the truck. You may see a Peugeot truck like the Peugeot Jumper and the rest. The diesel engine in them, they are not the same in the cars, like the Peugeot 406 and 407. The person that understands those bigger ones may understand the ones in the smaller cars, like Peugeot 406. But like I said, be careful. Just because the person can work on diesel doesn't mean he can diagnose it electronically. Because these modern Peugeot cars, the diesel ones, their electronics are almost the same with the petrol ones. The electric cars that control the engines. But the bigger truck, buses, those ones, their engines may not have all this electrical control like the smaller cars. So I have to be sure so I won't end up having issues. Like I said, most people end up converting it after a while from diesel to petrol. But also understand that even that conversion, to convert to petrol engine, you may end up spending close to 700,000 or more. So you have to consider all those things. So if you can do it, source the parts, know somebody, or doing the repairs yourself or diagnosis yourself, go ahead. You make more profit doing that, because diesel will not burn much. So the fuel will take some time before it burns off. While if it's petrol, you can easily get, almost every Peugeot mechanic, modern Peugeot, that repairs modern Peugeot mechanic, will handle your car wherever it is. Even if you are doing interstate, you won't have problem with that. Okay, so it's a choice. If you are seeking for my advice for Peugeot commercial in Nigeria, go for petrol engines. Probably EW10 J4 engine, because that's at least that one, since it's commercial, it's not too complex for some mechanics to handle. But once you go beyond that, start going to EW12 J4 V6. Be careful. Like I say, if it's your personal or private car, you can, maybe you be the one to handle it. You know somebody that will handle. You have to look for a good mechanic to do it for you, doing the repairs for you. But if commercial, it means sometimes the driver will be the one, and the car may malfunction or fail. Something may fail in the car outside the state where you stay. So the person will only rely on whoever he finds there that can repair it. So use the engine that is more common, and for mechanics, local mechanics are more familiar with, since it's commercial. All right. If you have any more questions, you can just put it in the comment section, and then I'll explain.